Hello everyone, in this lesson we are going to talk about the heart. So, the heart is something which symbolizes a lot of things. Heart symbolizes love, heart symbolizes sympathy, heart symbolizes empathy, maybe. So, we know heart from the emojis, like from its usual symbol. It is usually like this, it is shown as this, but his I'm sorry. Its real form is actually not related at all. Like, it is something which is a lot different. Maybe actually you can find some resemblance, but this is the real shape of it. I think it has no resemblance as... What do you think? Yeah, it doesn't look like each other. Okay, let's move on to the parts of the heart. So I drew them by myself, by the way. I always draw them by myself. So this part is called aorta. Aorta is usually in a lot of organ systems, but it is not specific to hearts. I'm so sorry. I'm so sick right now. But okay, let's move on. So pulmonary artery, this is called vena cava. Left atrium, right ventricle, these parts, and left ventricle. So this is the parts of the heart, and let's move on to the heart's functions. So heart pumps blood through your body. What does pumping means? You can pump a ball. You can pump something which can be filled with air. So when you pump a ball, what do you do to it? There is the pumper, right? Okay. So there is the ball. It is connected with some thing. This is the ball, maybe. Okay. So you push downwards, and the air goes in, and it gets bigger. It gets bigger, right? But you have to push it first. So the pushing part is made by the heart. This is our upper body, right? I'm sorry for the drawing, but okay. This is your heart. So heart is pumping blood all over your body from your veins. You know what vein is, right? Okay. It is pumping, and it is continuing to pump because it is job to pump. If it stops pumping, then you cannot live. And who gives that order to the heart? We talk about it in the first lesson, right? In our brain section. Brain was the motivator, brain was the principal. So brain gives the order and heart does it. Heart pumps, and it cannot stop pumping. It will stop pumping when you die, when you finish your life. Okay, so we got the pumping part. Controls and maintains blood pressure. So blood pressure is something, it is very important. If your blood pressure is high, which it means you're stressed, you are tired, you ran so fast, like you're out of breath, and then your blood pressure goes high. But when your blood pressure is low, it means that you are in something like a coma or something, you're unconscious, then your blood pressure goes high. So this is what your blood pressure looks like. It cannot be higher or it cannot be lower. Pumps oxygen. So we said about pumping blood, and it also pumps oxygen through the blood cells. So the blood cells are like this, but there's a little, don't look at me drawing like that. They are so little, like they're like a micro size or something. These are your blood cells, and there are oxygens. There are oxygens inside them, like a million or billion times they are inside them. So receive the oxygened blood and carries metabolic waste products from the body. So this is about the others. There's no reason to explain it. So I think it was a short lesson, but we finished the base of the heart. Okay, so thank you for watching this lesson, and we'll see each other in the next lessons. Goodbye.